My name is Geovanni and this is my 1993 Toyota pickup. This used to be my dad's Toyota pickup. He used it for work. It was a scrap truck and I needed a daily, and I just started piecing it together with OEM body panels. Everything is OEM on the truck. All the Aeros made custom by KPS Racing. I mean, I love the way the splitter came out. I love the way the side skirts came out and the diffusers. The whole tire setup is a 03 Cobra deep dish wheels off a Mustang. The Mickey Thompsons, I've always wanted those, so I just got the street edition, street comps. Project kicks, it's the lug nuts. I plan to make big power soon, so I had to put some Wilwoods on there to, keep it, slow me down. The fronts are 17 by 9, wrapped in 275s. The rear is 17 by 10.5, wrapped in 315s. APR mirrors, Corbeau seats, yeah, they're Corbeau GTS 2s. I've got Chasing J's little accents, titanium accents. I think it makes it pop. If you want to check out more trucks like mine, head to wheelwell.com.